Hello and welcome back to another FS Trains video. Today we're going to be talking about British Railway. This is a game on Roblox where you drive, guard and ride on trains. Sound familiar? Even I can't deny that SCR is slowly dying and many people are choosing British Railways over it. But I can't understand what British Railway has that SCR doesn't. It's just a knockoff. First of all, it's the glitchiest game ever made. I mean, come on, what was that? And what's wrong with the sound effects? The announcements are literally the same that SCR used to use. And then the graphics, well, look at that. That looks like Aldwych. Subscribe to make it better. And it's so unrealistic. No AWS. You can walk on tracks. The physics makes no sense.
Run.
Okay, I can't take this anymore. SCR, best game ever. Lovely announcements, realistic cabs, training, a huge selection of trains and routes, and this massive network. And that is why SCR is better than British Railway. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.